A nebulizer is an easy and convenient way to breathe medicine into your lungs. Sometimes, using a nebulizer can be a little confusing. But don't worry, follow these steps to achieve maximum output from your nebulizer. First, wash your hands properly to avoid any cross-contamination. Next, remove the air filter, wash it with cold water, and let it air dry. Then, plug the filter into the nebulizer. Use a dropper or syringe to add the medication into the container. If your doctor has prescribed adding saline drops into the container, go ahead and add the prescribed dose. Close the medicine cup tightly and hold the mouthpiece straight up. Connect the medicine container to the nebulizer using a hose or tubing. Place your mouthpiece carefully in your mouth between the teeth, sealing it firmly with your lips. Then turn on the nebulizer and begin breathing slowly. Administer the therapy according to the time prescribed by your doctor. Once complete, make sure to turn the machine off and thoroughly wash the medicine cup and mouthpiece. Let it dry before storing it. A few handheld nebulizers function differently than this. You can learn how to use them using the user manual provided by the manufacturer.